Greetings, my dear brothers and sisters. I am here out in nature, here in the beautiful sunshine, absorbing the sunlight, breathing in fresh, good air and good prana. I have come to you with a message for our love, peace, unity movement to transform the hearts and lives of others. And it is this. It's to do not become addicted to the desires of the world, to the desires of the flesh. Do not seek sex, gluttony, any of those things, for they usually lead to physical, emotional, and spiritual pain. It only harms and damages. And that's not what we want. We want to experience the real, the authentic. We want to be satisfied in our lives. And the only ones that can do that are genuine love, both from the self and from others who truly love, as well as forgiveness, both of self and from others. Pursue that. Pursue unconditional love, like a mother who loves her child unconditionally. There's nothing she needs more than her child. Pursue that which is not seen. That is why Jesus advocated for things like die to self, leave the world behind, and follow Him. Follow love. Follow inner peace. Meditate. And follow the messages of love and forgiveness. That is what you should be pursuing instead of addictions to life. Obvious things that can harm: gluttony, addiction to gluttony, sex, smoking, drinking. They only lead to physical as well as spiritual pain and emotional. It does not truly heal the heart. Transformative power of love, both self-love and from true love and true forgiveness. Those have the power to transform and heal lives and transform your behavior as well as the lives of those around you. From stories of criminals who've been forgiven and shown compassion and love instead. And thus their lives have been transformed and changed. And now they seek to repay their debts, to right their wrongs, and to show that same love and forgiveness to others. That is what we should be pursuing. And that is what I shall seek to pursue. To leave behind this materialistic world and the desires of the flesh, even that of self-gratification, masturbation, pornography, things that do not help, but only corrupt and hurt you. And I shall seek to pursue love and forgiveness of myself and healing. And I would encourage you all to join me. My dear beloved brothers and sisters in light, this is my beautiful message to you as we are out here in nature. It feels good. Thank you for listening to my message, and may you continue to grow in happiness, peace, love, and unity.